Welcome to the Business and Accounting booth. My name's Jeremy Railton. I'm the department chair, and I'm going to give a brief overview of what we do and how you might fit in. Have you ever wanted to start your own business and be your own boss? Perhaps you're looking to start a career or to switch from one industry to another. Maybe you like the job you're in and would like to move up the ladder into management. Do you find yourself interested in the way money flows through a business organization? If so, you're in the right place. Our programs are designed to give aspiring entrepreneurs a healthy start in their enterprises, to help young workers get started in their careers, to help entry level employees progress in their careers, all while providing transfer opportunities for those who wish to continue their education at a university. You'll learn how businesses start, the different forms they can take, how they manage money, time, and other resources, and various business practices and strategies that can mean the difference between success and failure. Here at Gaston College, we have four main programs. Accounting gives students the tools to help manage a company's finances, to keep track of how the money flows, and to help business owners make the decisions that are best for their situation. General business gives students a broad view of how many different types of businesses work, from marketing and management to contracts and finance. Human resources management prepares students to help manage the most important resource of any business, its people. You'll learn how to recruit, hire, train, and retain the people who help make a business great. Supply chain management provides some of the foundational structure of our economy, how to get the right things from one place to another on time and in good shape, from making sure stores have the correct items in stock to delivering packages right to your door. Supply chain management makes it happen. So that's what we do. Now I want to hear from you. Are you ready to get started? If so, reach out to me or any of the good people at Gaston College. We'll do our best to help you along the way. I look forward to seeing you in class.